Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm the Coins Monster. What's up, guys? How you all doing today? Thank you for coming in. Tonight, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the market. Okay, it's just an update and why I'm bullish on the market. Why do I see the charts playing out the way they are? And what is to come within the next month and a half. Okay, so here we go. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin currently was trading uptrend in a small rising channel, which it broke down, not broke out. It did a bearish retest. Now it's kind of heading to the downside. All right, so why I did not take any more trades at this stage? Well, we are going to make first a pattern which is called the bearish bat pattern. Okay, so this is the reason why I did not want to take any trades. Okay, and this is a bearish pattern, so when this happens, it means it needs a small retracement. Okay, I'm just drawing it roughly, just for you to get the idea. But even though it's a bearish pattern, I don't believe that Bitcoin is bearish. Okay, now it does need a cool off. This is a cool off right there. So what I expect from Bitcoin is to have a retrace anything between the 618, 702, and 786 fib. Now the 786 fib at about 39,600 is going to be lucky in my opinion. I think we're going to only retest about 40,200. All right, and maybe 39,900. Okay, but that depends to be seen. Now it is possible. It is possible to test these levels. Now I'll show you why. Okay, I'll show you why. Because on the daily time frame, it's quite tired. Okay, it's quite tired. Now it is still in that channel that I drew for you. I've spoken about this in the live stream and the private screen share for the Patreons in the Telegram group, and this is still playing the channels, but it is sort of a triple top at the very moment. Now the range is still continuing, and I think is going to continue for the next 15 days. Okay, why 15 days? Well, it generally takes about a week for it to retrace, and then another week to kind of go sideways. That gives it a total cool off. Okay, and during that time I see this indicator turning, the ADX gathering strength and pointing to rounding up and pointing to the upside. Okay, just as I have drawn here, still playing out, and the price has not moved up as well as it should have. Now this small move, this green hill right here, was very small compared to the move it had. Okay, and right now there is absolutely no strength for it to keep going up as strongly as it should have. So what I'm expecting is a small retrace to these levels, 40,200, 40,000, and maybe 39,700. Okay, but that, don't get me wrong guys, this is a pullback that is healthy, and that is a good opportunity to buy. It's one of those things that if it drops more, we buy more, that kind of stuff. Okay, now we're going to take a look on the 4-hour time frame. We can see how all the moving averages are getting in line. All right, we can see how they're getting in line, and this will happen on the daily time frame as well. So when it happens on the daily time frame, this is going to get a massive push to the upside, and it's not even gonna, I don't think it will be able to just kind of hit 44,000. It will break above 45 and then have a nice retest. Okay, so very big chance it goes up to almost up to 50 and then retest 45k as support, but the next time around. Okay, so when this happens, when we get a nice pullback, this is the place to start dollar cost averaging into the best altcoins that we like, that we were willing to trade to the upside. Okay, we have spoken quite a bit about them on the channel, on the live streams, in the private streams, and the best movements that you can get on them and how to trade them. Okay, now the reason why I'm expecting this is also the Dow Jones, okay, and the SP 500. Now the Dow Jones, I drew this here for you. Okay, this arrow was previously up and down in here. Okay, but it looks like we have to readjust a little bit because we need a cool off on the Dow Jones as well. Okay, the move was pretty strong and it's nothing but green candles, and that, if we don't get any red candles, that will not be healthy for the market. Okay, having a nice retest is going to find support right around maybe 34,000, 33,500 or 33,900. Okay, somewhere around there. That is going to be pretty good. It's going to be pretty healthy. Now you can go back on the live streams and understand why and how I made this pattern, but this is going to be a critical zone that it needs to find a support. Okay, it needs to, because it needs to find strength to go to the upside. Without it, it carries the risk of falling down and falling down hard. All right, now the same thing goes for the SP 500. The SP 500 was extremely bullish. It has practically the same pattern, but a nice range here will be good. Okay, because then it will go all the way up to like about 4,700, 4,800, maybe even touch the all-time highs. Okay, so that is going to be bullish for the crypto markets as well, because that means the money is flowing into investments and not people are not bullish on the dollar. Okay, so that is good for the crypto markets. Okay, this is simply a pullback to buy. So in my humble opinion, shorting right now is an extreme risk. Okay, extreme risk, because there will be good chances that you get liquidated. Okay, because that's how they play it. So shorting is not a good idea unless you're an expert trader. You'd know exactly down to the last cent the price is going to go to by using Fibonacci's or any other tools that you may use. Futures is going to be risky. All right, now besides that, I want to tell you about the Bitcoin dominance. I've talked about this before, and as you can see, the projection is playing out extremely well. Okay, so it broke down from the channel that I had drawn. This was a critical level, a distribution pattern. Now this is breaking down. What do I expect from this is, using the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin dominance is going to do a bearish retest. Okay, now it might go sideways for a day, something like that, and then eventually do a bearish retest till about there, and then eventually fall down again. Okay, now when this is going to happen, it's going to be nice for the altcoins. Okay, so accumulating in that period in the bearish retest is the best idea. Now alongside the Bitcoin dominance, we have the USDT dominance. Okay, and this is also falling. Now this is also falling from the projection that I had previously made for you guys. Okay, just gonna put that there slightly. There we go. Okay, it's following this. It might do a bearish retest here and there, but when it breaks this channel, like it breaks it hard, that is the time when the alt season will begin, guys. And it is going to be absolutely beautiful. Right? So keep these things in mind, and do not be scared, do not panic sell. Just be prepared to dollar cost average. Now remember, I am not financial advisor, and this is in no way investment recommendation. I'm simply showing you the TA, so for educational purposes, so you can make informed decisions for your investments. Okay, the decision is entirely up to you. All right, so guys, join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below, and people are quite helpful. We have a few admins and veteran traders, so they will definitely help and clear any doubts that you may have. Also, it's quite simple and easygoing, so we don't have a lot of chatter. Okay, we don't have chatter. We have honest questions. We don't judge anyone, even beginners who don't even know TA, they're welcome, and we help them grow. Okay, so like this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when my next videos and live streams are out. Also, please share the content, guys, because you never know who you can help. Okay, so maybe someone in dire need of decent TA can watch this video, and maybe it helps them either save money or make money, whatever comes, but it will be helpful. Okay, and that's my aim on this channel. All right, thanks, guys. Thank you for your time for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay blessed.